Hello, I'm Michael, and today I want to show you exactly where our official office is to visit incredible Leona Waterfall, and also tell you a bit about Curubandé, this beautiful little town that many tourists doesn't even know to exist. Many travelers come to Guanacaste looking for to explore La Leona Waterfall and end up lost, overpaying or entering through unauthorized places. So this video is here to help you. You're going to learn where to go and how to book your safety tour. Where to find the real entrance to La Leona Waterfall. Our office in Curubandé, Liberia, right at the foot of the Rincón de la Vieja volcano. You can find us on Google Maps or Waze as Leona Waterfall Curubanda. Here at Finca Curubanda, we work with local guys. We have emergency exits and we take care of every detail so you can enjoy a safe and authentic experience. Where to buy the tour? You can book your tour right here at the office or through our WhatsApp or social media. If you didn't make a reservation, no worry. We have tour leaving every hour from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. What's Curubandé offer? Curubandé is a small town full of life, nature, and culture. Here you will find waterfalls like La Leona, hiking trails, natural pools, and ever river tubing on Colorado River. And of course, you can enjoy amazing local food at Soda Curubanda. Here you will enjoy a Costa Rican typical food. At Finca Curubanda, we believe tourism is not just about beautiful views. It's about feeling, connecting, and taking something meaningful with you. And that journey starts right here from our office in this land full of history, legend, and nature. If you are ready for the adventure, come and visit Finca Curubanda. Pura vida.